Welcome to today's tutorial where we'll be looking at the Waipā District Libraries app. The app is called Waipā District Libraries and it is available from the App Store and on Google Play. Once you have downloaded the app, it's ready to open. Enter your 14-digit barcode in the panel and press Login. The bottom left shows My Account, which is where the items on your card are shown. A red marker indicates an alert or notification. In this case, it's an overdue book. To renew the item, tap on Renew and then Confirm. The Reservations tab is on the far right and shows any books you have placed on hold. If a hold is available, you will have a red alert button showing. You can also use your smart device to borrow books. Click on the middle tab, Borrow. Then tap on the large green tab. You may receive a message which asks if the app can access your camera. You will need to give the OK. When the camera appears, you need to scan the barcode of the item you wish to borrow. The barcode could be on the front of the book like this one. Scan the image. If you have more than one item, click on Borrow More. If the barcode is not on the front of the book, it could be inside the back cover like this one. Again, scan the image. When you have finished, you can click on My Account and see the items added to your list and their return date. At the end of your session, you can close the app down or press Log Out if you wish to log out completely and confirm the request. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask in the comments or contact your library.